Hello. Today let's talk about text structure, and here's what I mean by that. Writers, at least good and effective ones, develop their content with a purpose. They use structure, including various literary techniques, to allow you as the reader to follow their story. Structure allows them to do this in an organized way. This allows you as the reader to follow their story. Nothing in a quality piece of writing is random. Everything follows a logical sequence to enhance your reading experience according to the writer's goal. Understanding text structure should help eliminate confusion and increase your understanding of what you're reading. Structure weaves together plot, character, pacing, point of view, dialogue, emotion, and narrative to impact the reader. Writers use structure to guide a story. Each technique is intended to further the plot and deepen characterization. Ideally, you as a reader may believe you've discovered the writer's intended meaning on your own, but careful writers lead the process by staging actions and events in a structured way. How? By making sure the sequence of the structure allows each literary technique to work alongside and thrive with the others. These techniques become the framework that gives a story strength and meaning. So let's cover the elements of text structure. First, characterization. The writer must show who the character is and why they accepted a difficult task or have set a challenging goal. Obstacles magnify the stakes, resulting in motivating the character to fight through barriers that keep them from reaching their goal or solving their problem. Although battered and beaten, the determined character continues their quest. It's crucial that a writer renders a character who engages you and makes you resonate with them, giving them a moral or ethical reason for pursuing their goal. Short of that, the plot becomes flat and uninteresting because if you don't resonate with them, you won't care how the story progresses. Then, second is pacing. The series of events leading to the bleakest moment must be logically chronological and escalate to provide fuel for what is ahead. Writers must choose the best place to begin the story, usually in the middle of action, to capture your attention and keep it. A fast pace keeps you turning pages, while occasionally slowing the pace allows you to absorb important moments. Both are needed for a satisfying reading experience, though that slower pace must still carry an undercurrent of tension and gravitas. Next, third, comes point of view. This is one of the most difficult, controversial, and meaningful components of text structure. What sounds like a simple formula depends on a writer's interpretation of the character's journey and the unfolding plot. Which character has the most to lose? Which character has the most to gain? The writer chooses one prospective character in each scene, through whom the story will be told, and they serve as the author's camera and recorder to lead the reader. Fourth, emotion. You consume your favorite stories because of the emotion carefully elicited by the writer. You come to care about a character, and this connection builds compassion and a desire for you to see the character succeed. If you're like most readers, you enjoy being entertained and educated, but you never forget when you've been emotionally moved. Emotion allows you to step into the character's shoes and forget about the outside world. Fifth comes dialogue. You want to hear the character speak, which personalizes them. Dialogue is a tool used to create and enhance emotion, develop character, and introduce conflict. All these structural devices guide you on your reading adventure. So watch for these as you read. And when you write, remember to omit needless words. State only what is necessary. Always end scenes and chapters with increased stakes that entice your reader to continue the adventure. In a story, the writer's goal may be to argue a point, share information, or show characters passionately pursuing a goal. Organized text structure demonstrates purpose and skill and allows readers to discover the gems hidden within the writer's message.